You have to have the drive to be successful and happy in life. That doesn't mean that your ambition has to be to become a billionaire and live the high life. Your drive could be to have a regular 9 to 5 in a factory and bring in enough money to live and put a little aside for the future. But you have to see the possibility of getting that job, of performing it successfully in order to even try to attempt it. If you don't perceive that as being a possibility, then you won't try at all, because who attempt something they believe they will fail at. Happy people perceive the possibilities in their life and then go after them. Your mood directly affects your perception of reality. If you are in a positive place, you are more likely to cope with negative situations better and multitask better and see more opportunities. If you are in a negative place, the converse is true. You are more likely to see your workload as overwhelming, the tasks as unaccomplishable, and fewer opportunities because you are too tired to deal with putting in the effort. That doesn't mean that reality changes. There are just as many opportunities to be happy and successful as before, but because of your mood, your perception of those opportunities has changed. People who experience more happiness and more success have a chain reaction of choices. They make small changes in the choices they make in life, and it creates a chain reaction. For instance, let's say someone is always burning the candle at both ends, rising early and staying up late. They change their schedule and start going to bed earlier. They wake up with far more energy than they are used to and get more accomplished in the morning than they ever have before, and therefore they have more time in the afternoon to pursue interests they haven't had time for previously. This choice caused a chain reaction: more energy, more work accomplished, more time in the day even though they were going to bed earlier. Paradigms are how we view our environments. They are basically the maps we make in our heads of reality. One paradigm could be that you live in a poor neighborhood. Another paradigm of that same reality is that you own a paid-off house in your neighborhood. Paradigm shifts are when you take one mental map and change it out of another one. Happy people choose to use their positive genius to construct maps that show the possibilities and positives in their realities. Focusing on your mental maps from different perspectives can help you shift your paradigms to more positive places, and then you can focus on using your resources to obtain your goals.